Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by defining the outcome and the predictor set. Pick variables with theoretical justification and measurable variation. Once done, remove or impute missing values and windsorize extreme outliers to avoid leverage. Make sure to convert categorical variables into dummy columns or use appropriate encoding. Standardize or mean center predictors when coefficients will be compared. This reduces multicollinearity and improves interpretation. Begin an exploratory scatterplot matrix and correlation table to see obvious relationships before fitting any model. You now fit the multiple regression using OLS or a robust alternative if assumptions look dubious. Include all chosen predictors initially. Then evaluate model fit through R2 and adjusted R2 to account for predictor count and inspect RMSE for practical error size. Once done, plot residuals versus fitted values to detect heteroscedasticity and nonlinearity, and run a normality check on residuals. Make sure to compute VIFs to identify multicollinearity, and consider interaction terms only when theoretically justified. You finish by refining the model. Remove redundant predictors, try penalized regression like lasso for many variables, or keep theory-driven variables despite weak p-values. Then validate performance using k-fold cross-validation or a holdout set to estimate generalization error. Compare metrics to the training run. Once satisfied, report coefficients with confidence intervals and effect sizes and include an assumption checklist. If results are unstable, check collinearity, increase sample size, or simplify the model as a key troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.